How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. It is bloody boiling. It is absolutely boiling here. That Georgia heat, that Georgia humidity, it's coming and it's going to get worse and worse and worse. Anyway, hope you're well. Anyway, I'm going to do a nice simple recipe. I would say a good 20 minutes. A good 20 minutes. You can probably knock this out in 15 minutes. Anyways, sausages already cooked, a nice orzo pasta with some mint sauce and some other bits and bobs. It's going to be good. I'm going to show you. I'm excited. So let's crack on. A good midweek meal. Let's crack on. First, let's make the mint sauce. This literally takes 30 seconds to make. Add fresh mint to a blender or a food processor. I'm using a mini one. Add sugar and water. Now blitz for 30 seconds, just to get it started. Next, add apple cider vinegar and give it a final blitz for another 30 seconds. And then put to one side. You can use any pasta for this dish, any pasta. Don't use spaghetti, it's a bit weird, but orzo just works. A nice tiny pasta, if you can't get orzo, just use a nice tiny pasta. It works well, especially with the sausages and other bits and bobs that go with it. Add pasta to salted boiling water, give a light stir, then simmer. It should take around about 10 minutes to cook. Around the 10-minute mark, give it a taste. If it's too chalky, cook for longer. If it's pleasurable to eat for you, it's cooked. When cooked, drain. In the same pan, add olive oil. Dice onion and add to the pan. Now cook until soft. At this stage, you can add garlic if you want. I just chose not to. When the onions are soft, add the pasta and make sure your heat is low. Add spinach and stir. The spinach should wilt eventually. Next, add the mint sauce. Add fresh peas, lemon zest, and Parmesan cheese, and you can add as much as you like. If you go to the store and you can't find Parmesan, a good pecorino is good. And if you can't get pecorino, try and find feta. Feta's great with this dish. I've cooked this many times with feta. It's really, really good. Watch it on the salt, because feta's salty, but it goes so well, especially with the peas and the mint. Oh, beautiful. Stir well and season to taste. Go easy on the salt because the parm's pretty salty. And that is a flavor bomb. You can use an oven, you can use a pan, you can use an air fryer, a toaster oven, whatever. I just happen to use an air fryer. I just think it tastes better. And the chicken sausages I used were already cooked, so I just had to heat them up, but fantastic. Especially in an air fryer, it just tastes, I don't know what it is. I've tried all the others, but in the air fryer, it tastes really good. So if you've got an air fryer, give it a whirl. Add the sausages, followed by tomatoes. Try to find some on the vine. Look at them beauties, golden brown and delicious. To finish off, I used hemp seeds, rich in protein, fibre, healthful fatty acids, and including omega-3s and omega-6. In other words, they're really healthy for you. And can you see how quick this dish is? Mint sauce, but easy 30 seconds. Pasta, 10 minutes. And while your pasta's cooking, you can eat your sausages up and your tomatoes. Quick. And it's so nice that we've got access to all our herbs out here at our feet, so we can use them in any dish. And for me, it just tastes better. Homegrown herbs just taste better. They're fantastic. So yeah, it's a flavor bomb. It's a combination of flavors that just pop in your mouth, and it's a great dish. A good midweek meal. Fantastic. So anybody can make it. Anybody in your family can make this. Have a go and see what you think. Thanks, guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, do your thing, share, whatever you do. So yeah, I'll see you next week for another recipe. Thanks, guys.